Jason, are you proud of me? Another day. No cocktail. Just an iced coffee. So good. Happy New Year! Woo! I know. Same year, same hoe. What are we gonna do?
No, it's true. No, it's true.
Given the pandemic happened to all of us this year, last year, still going on, still going through us, you probably all got addicted to Tickety Talk like I did, and millions of others. And you probably are basic like me, and you asked for an air fryer perhaps for Christmas or Hanukkah, or you asked for a dash or a mini baby dash, all that stuff. It's a waffle iron. I have officially gained a little bit more than 10 pounds, and it looks like Los Angeles is about to go into another lockdown, like a legitimate lockdown. You have to quarantine if you come to our county. Blah, 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 boring. The reason for that is I thought I would show all of you new air fryer owners and mini dash owners what you can make to pass the time in quarantine. If you're gonna try to watch your carbs like I am, which is why this is a nice coffee and not a tequila, I'm gonna show you how to make 3 appetizers that are keto friendly, low carb friendly. You can do whatever you want with them, but they're tasty, they're good. If there was a Super Bowl, you can make them for that. So yeah, so we're gonna make, the first thing we're gonna make is like a garlic cheesy bread, which is in the air fryer, and there's new carbohydrates. And then we're gonna make a nice Waffle pizza, which again, as Jason does not like cauliflower, there's no cauliflower in it. And then we're gonna make a jalapeno popper chaffle with a little cream cheese on top, because that's what a jalapeno popper is. So to get started, I'm gonna move my little drinky drink over here. Pizza's gonna come second, so hope you don't mind, Jason, I'm moving that. I need to get me a little bowl right here. 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. Then you need a 1/4 cup of Parmigiano. 1 egg. Crack it in there, come on. Get in there. Take yourself a little forky fork, just like this. You know what I mean? All in the wrist. And you also need your garlic powder. I'm gonna try to eyeball it. I didn't the other day when I made it, but I would like to do a teaspoon. I think that's it.
2 shots of vodka.
So you plug your best friend in, and we wanna cook it for 10 minutes. I'm not pressing start yet, so don't even try me. Yeah, this one comes with parchment paper. Already fits it, right? Isn't that cool? Pour it in. Want it to stay in a circle. Oh, please, you better bow down on both knees. Who'd think taught you to smoke trees? So this is the part that, you kind of want to take your time with it. You want it to come out looking nice. And it goes in your air fryer, 350 degrees. See how that's a nice circle, Mr. Jason? Go. Bam. Now the fun begins. You want to make pizza next? Let's make a little sauce first for the pizza. Ooh, the devil is alive, let me tell you. He is at work today.
Not today, Satan.
This is it's gonna double as like our dipping sauce for our garlic cheesy bread, and it's gonna be for our pizza. We're gonna do a little oregano.
What the hell?
Basil, a little bit of basil. Turn the heat down because we don't want burnt sauce. I like a little crushed red pepper. There we go. Give that a little stir. It smells like you're like in Brooklyn. You just stepped into one of those restaurants with no windows, and the maitre d', greets you, and you think he's gonna, maybe break your knuckles or your kneecaps. And he's like, "What's the matter, you?
What's the matter, you bitch?"
Okay. Now we have our little dashie. So there's the mini dash, which I have. This is, you can make more. So the mini dash is like if it's just single serving, but this is gonna be great. This is mozzarella cheese. I don't measure it out, but if I was to measure, it's probably a cup. And it melts and it all gets together. The longer you keep it in here, the crispier it is. Then you take your pepperoni. So I'm mirroring mine after, like, I love, the works, or combination as I used to call it, from Round Table Pizza. My favorite pizza on earth. Pepperoni, bacon. Usually it's Canadian bacon. Black olives, somebody ate them. Josh. I'm gonna add a little bit of your Golden Boy pizza seasoning, which is phenomenal. Our little red onions, and you finish it off with cheese. There you go. And that should be about probably 5 minutes. So basically when this is done, this will be done. We need this one for our jalapeno popper, so could take a break. This is the kind of Scentsy pot I want in my house. It's like, I'm gonna make this an air freshener. Just plug it in. There's like an esthetician out there too watching, be like, you don't want oily steam going on your face.
Oh, this is killing me.
Ooh, yes. Look at that. Okay. That's about right. Okay, so that's gonna come out like that. Okay.
Oh.
There we go. That's gorgeous.
Oh, great.
So that's that one. So the third thing that we have to do, and we will do, is the jalapeno popper one. This is Italian cheeses, the 6 blend one. Jalapeno popper at its finest. It's not a jalapeno popper without bacon. Cheese on top. So that will be about 4 to 5 minutes. Anyways, we'll move that out of the way. Look at that. Oh man. So here's our jalapeno popper. Oh, hello. What are you doing? Now, don't even think about it. It's Josh's world. We all just live in it. We're gonna pause so he can get a glass of wine.
Olympia, you may cross frame to get me a glass of wine now.
Okay, time to try it, and I could try all of them because there's no carbohydrates. So I'm gonna start with what would technically be my third least favorite, but they're all my favorite. The jalapeno popper with the cream cheese. You see the bacon and the jalapeno, Jason?
Oh yeah.
I need something else. Un momento, por favor.
Diet Coke.
Yep, extra cold. This one is a stone cold winner.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Now we got our garlic cheesy bread that you're gonna dip into your marinara sauce or pasta sauce, pizza sauce, whatever you wanna call it.
Jesus Christ.
Cheese and rice. I'd make love to this. Oh, I can't double dip, damn. The grand finale. Pizza. Where's this looks like a really good slice right here with the fresh basil on top. The pepperoni, the bacon with the red onion, and the pizza sauce, because I made it spicy. So good. Olympia doesn't lie, okay? She's a Catholic. So, Olympia, do you want to try? Let's get you another good. I want to make sure that has all the stuff in it. And you like the pasta sauce too, right?
Yes.
Let's see if you like it. You like the other one I made, but you never know. You like that I added the bacon and onion this time? The other day I just did pepperoni.
Wow.
I like it. And after you take the bite of the pizza, it's so good. I have to turn this into a different show. Ooh, I'm feeling a little like it's a first date. Okay, so this was 3 easy appetizers that you can make in your new air fryer, your waffle maker, your chaffle, your dash, your mini dash, your DJ Damon dash, all of those things. If you enjoyed yourself, hit the like button, comment, subscribe please, and ring the bell so you can be notified when we release our next video, which is every week, but you never know. I might surprise you with a little boop, it's me. On that note, I am one happy homosexual. I am one happy cook. I love you all. Welcome to the new year. Let's make this one count. Let's get to know each other better. Let's just keep eating. Bye.